My name is Aura Bocanegra. In this video, I talk about who is the pronunciation of vowel English sounds. First of all, I talk about with the meaning. Okay, vowels are sounds pronounced with abstraction in the vocal tract, and are voiced. It's very important that you know who is the pronunciation of different sounds of vowel. For example, some vowels are short or long, and the others, the pronunciation is important because the thought, the position of the thought, sometimes is in front, in the middle, and back. Is very different. Or the sound is high, or the middle, or low. I have different sounds and different examples. Okay, let's start. For example, when it's in front, for example, like the sound E, like tip, dinner, ski, and well, the other sound, okay? Like A. For example, and, send, breast, tell, and let. Okay, the other sound it's in the middle. Okay, for example, A, calm, dance, half, and last. And the other example is arm, for like arm, army, and park. And finally, it's like back sounds. The vowels are oo. Okay, for example, book, look, food, and the other is oo, like put, could, or food. Okay, it's very important the pronunciation. Okay, guys, this is my video. I hope you practice because it's very important. Okay, goodbye.